Starting with the name of Allah, who is Rahman and Rahim. Everyone, once again, I make a series about impact of social media on mindset. How much time do you spend on social media daily? 1 hour, 2 hours, or maybe 5 hours. We are so lost in social media that we often forget we are slowly losing control our thought and lives. Everyone, the biggest issue is addiction. Notice how we drop everything when we get a notification on mobile phone. This is a small habit make us are dependent. Another issue is comparison. People post their perfect lives on social media like Instagram, Facebook and TikTok, and we feel the left behind. This thinking lead to depression, anxiety and low self-confidence. But every coin has two sides. Social media has connect the world. We can learn new skills, make new friends and achieve big dream from small town with just a smartphone and internet. We can inspire the world. Everyone, but everything on balance. If you are using social media to learn, get inspired or earn, it's just it's just your friend. But if you are just comparison, wasting your time and getting negative, you are losing control. Set a daily time limits, fill your feed with positive content and take digital detox. You understand the value of your real life. Social media is your tool, not the other way around. Keep control of your life. Remember, like and follow don't define your worth. Your true worth is your thought, hard work, and real life. So everyone, my series is end. Hope so you like this series. So like, share, and comment. And till the next series, stay safe and take care. Allah Hafiz.